So my dear friends, yesterday we had a good day because market took support on 4650. It was a great bounce. Okay, it was a sharp bounce, and these were the candles formed by the market. We also discussed about the possibility of a gap filling where we can look for a buy position. Market filled the gap also. We got a nice opportunity to buy there as well. And we also discussed roughly taking a sell around 4750. That too also did pretty well. Okay, after the market went up, market tried to break the 474765 area as well, but market failed. Okay, and now we can see that right now gold is trading around 4720. So this is the current market price at the time of recording the video. So yesterday we had a good day, but today you need to understand that not every day is same, and today is not a very good day to trade. Why? Because the picture is not very clear to us. Right now we need clarity on the next direction of the market. If we just look at the chart randomly, then we can clearly see that this market is not sideways or range bound. Okay, this is kind of a choppy market because we have a high at the top, but the lows of the market are not definite. So this is a choppy market, and choppy market are little difficult to trade because you may get trapped. Okay, so be careful. Okay, at the time of placing your orders. So let's discuss the trading opportunities one by one. Let me remind you one thing, that this is the hourly chart. Okay, so we are using the hourly chart today to understand the levels better. So first trading opportunity in front of us is around 47004693. The blue box that you see here is the first support zone where we can look for a buy position. Why? Because if market drops, okay, this is the level, okay, where we have a round number 4700. Moreover, the previous resistance will be working as support, not a major support, but if market drops, okay, we can look for a bounce around this area, single bounce. Okay, one candle bounce here as well. Later on, if market comes down, then we can look for the second support around 4674 to 72. This is the second support zone. The dotted line that you see is a second support zone on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. So these are the two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. Not major level, but if market behaves normally, okay, before US session, okay, we can look for a quick bounce. How many pips? I'm not sure. Okay, depends on a volume. Okay, so one thing I can say is that, okay, you can expect one candle here. Okay, so plan your trades accordingly, but keep in mind these are not permanent levels. Okay, if you see market taking support, then only place the buy position. Okay, and the support of 4650 is still very much there, but this time, okay, there is a possibility that market may go for some SL hunting or liquidity sweep. So 4650 is far away, let's not discuss about it, but before 4650, these are the two levels we can look for a buy position if the market takes support. Okay, now you can see I have one more dotted line here. So this is a risky level. Okay, during the day, okay, if you see that there is no movement in the market is slow, then you can look for a drop below this particular level here. Okay, right now you can see market is, okay, in consolidation. So if market drops, you can look for a risky sell position. Risky sell. Why risky sell? Because this is something, okay, where, okay, you will be entering on the middle of the chart, and we also have a previous price rejection around this area. So suddenly if market drops, if you're a scalper, अगर आप scalper हो, scalping का अनुभव है, okay, then only go for it. If you are not a scalper, if you do not have much experience scalping, then you can avoid. But yes, you can look for a sell position here if market drops suddenly. The upside of the market is not clear. Okay, if you are if you're a member of a WhatsApp group or community, then you must already know, I have already explained that the upside of the chart is not very clear, because for the upside, okay, we need more clarity. You can see here I have already drawn an arrow here. Unless market takes support around this area, okay, when the previous resistance will become the support, okay, there is no clarity. if market takes support and goes up, then we can say that finally gold is respecting price action. Gold is going up because see, we are retail traders. Our knowledge has a limitation. From a limited knowledge, okay, we can say that market is an upturn, or we can look for a buy position if market takes support around 4765 4760. Unless market takes support around this area, the upside is not going to be clear to us. As a day trader, what you can do is, okay, you can look for sell opportunity around these two levels as well. So during the day, if market goes up and reverses from 4750 or 4765, we can look for a sell position. I'm not sure whether I will be taking a sell or not, because right now it is difficult to tell. If I see that there is a possibility because of strong price rejection from above, then I'll go for it. But as a trader, as I said, we need more clarity when market will be taking support around 4765 4760, then only we can go for a sell. So time will speak. I'm recording the video in the Asian session. Okay, it's too early. So let's wait and watch how does the market react and where does the market proceed during the day. Okay, so as I already said at the beginning of the video, please be careful. Okay, because yesterday was a good day to trade. Today is a critical day. We need more clarity. If you're a beginner, if you're a new trader, if you cannot afford to take any risk, okay, you cannot afford to lose any money, okay, then you can skip also, unless you get more clarity and confidence. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.